In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Google Analytics account. By transfer, we mean giving the new owner full administrative access and then removing the old access so control cleanly moves to the right person or team. Start by opening Google Analytics and signing into the account you want to hand over. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct place. At the top of the interface, there's an account selector. Make sure the account name matches the one you intend to transfer, not just the property or data stream underneath it. Next, go to Admin. You'll find this via the gear icon in the lower left corner. In the Admin area, look at the account column on the far left. Ensure the correct account is selected in that drop-down, then open Account Access Management. This is where all user permissions for the account level are controlled. In Account Access Management, click the plus icon in the upper right and choose Add User. A panel will open asking for the new user's email address. Enter the email of the person who will take over ownership. It should be an email associated with a Google account. If they use a company address, make sure it's enabled for Google Sign-In. Double check for typos here. Getting the email wrong is the most common snag. Below the email field, set their role to administrator. This role gives full control, including user management and critical settings, which is necessary for a true transfer. If you see that administrator can't be assigned, it usually means your current access is limited and you'll need someone with higher permissions to complete this step. When you're confident the details are correct, click Add. This sends the invitation. Let the new owner know to look for the email and accept it. If they don't see it, have them check spam or try again later, as delivery can take a minute. Once they've accepted the invitation and confirmed they can access the account, return to the same Account Access Management screen. Locate the old user you want to remove. Click the three dots next to that name and select Remove or Delete, then Confirm. Be careful here. Only remove access after the new owner is in to avoid locking your organization out. That's it. You've opened the right account, granted administrator to the new owner, and cleaned up by removing the previous access, completing a safe and simple transfer.